L&L Special Furnace designs and manufactures industrial furnaces, ovens, kilns, quench tanks, and heat treating systems for use in industrial and laboratory applications. The types of heat treating furnaces we provide include bench-mounted box, bottom loading, dual chamber, heavy-duty production, large box, medium box, tempering ovens, pit furnaces, and tube furnaces. Our furnaces are available in either electric or gas-fired. Lining types such as brick, brick with fiber roof, and ceramic fiber are offered. Electric furnaces are available with resistance wire, rod over bend resistance, silicon carbide, and molybdenum disilicide heating elements. Customizations such as vertical doors, fans, cooling venturis, vents, special hearths, racks, baskets, loading devices, quenching systems, and various controlled atmospheres are available. Retorts, viewing ports, special element alloys, special thermocouples, various kinds of alarms, program controls, and recorders are also provided to meet custom requirements. Our aircraft-grade furnaces have tight gradient uniformity, zone control, even heat, proprietary ceramic element holders, and optional certified testing. These are compliant with AMS 2750, NFPA 86, NFPA 79, and NFPA 70. Aircraft-grade industrial furnaces can be used to heat treat tool steels, anneal fasteners, relieve weldment stress, aluminum solution heat treating, and heat treat rivets, bolts, and other parts. We provide heated and heavy-duty quench tanks with epoxy-coated interiors, regulated electric heating, propeller agitation, temperature gauge, and oil-tight control boxes. Water quench tanks are available fabricated with stainless steel. We also provide floor-standing and bench-mounted recirculating ovens with a stainless steel interior, precision PID digital control system, uniform heating, and gas or electric operation. We offer solutions for processes like hardening, annealing, forging, heat treating, atmosphere treating, brazing, glass processing, slumping, fusing, coating, sintering, and quenching. To learn more about our products and capabilities, contact us today. You can reach us by phone at 877-846-7628. Email our sales team at sales@llfurnace.com or find our website at llfurnace.com.